Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we discuss about how you can sell your domain easily. This is my mail. You can see I refresh it. I already sell my domain on Namecheap. How I can sell, everything I discuss about it. If you want to sell your domain, must your domain need and set the proper price for your domain name. How you can sell your domain name on Namecheap? So open your Namecheap account, click domain list, then select your domain. So this is my another domain I want to sell. So click manage option, scroll down, and here you got the sell domain option. So here click sell domain, asking price. I set my price $99 and listing period 7 days, adult listing yes, and send me an email when this domain is successfully sold. If I click sell domain, when any company or buyer or agency buy this domain, he pay $99, Namecheap fee 10%, you got 90% money. So then sell domain, already my domain listing in Namecheap marketplace. This is not possible to guarantee your domain must be sold. If your domain quality is better, high chances to sell. If you want to buy a new domain on Namecheap, you can buy just $5.98 new domain. So link in the description below. See you on the next video.